So after you sign into your TurboTax account, you want to look at the left side of your screen. And then, on the Tax Tools button, you want to click on it. After that, you want to click on Tools button. On the Tools Center, you want to click on Clear and Start Over button. And then you want to tap on Yes. After you are sure, though, because it will delete your previous data that you have been inserted before, and you will start from scratch again. Or, if you cannot find it there after you signing in, you want to tap on Switch Product button at the bottom left of your screen, and again, you will find this Clear and Start Over button, and you want to click on that. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.